Snowstorm of 2014, November 18th. This is how you gear up. You gotta get your full gear on. Gotta look good doing it. But this morning, let me turn the lights off. This morning I could actually see out this window. It's covered in snow. There's a little glimpse of light. But also, I live on the ground level of my apartment. Turn the lights off here. It's pretty much all encompassed into snow, if that's the right word. Let's move outside. This is probably a 4-foot drift that somebody is digging out. Is that you, buddy?
Yep. Took out the yardstick and yardstick went in. There's still about a 1.5 foot hole.
You want to go on a journey?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. This is what's your name, buddy? Amos. Amos. He lives in my complex, and this wall you can see is a car, or what was a car. This is crazy, man.
Yeah, it is.
Don't even pull your phone out of your pocket, man.
Oh no, it's
honestly
in a spot where it could be this.
Amos and Matt. Snowstorm of 2014, November 18th.
The big one.
Apparently the big one, man.
Yeah.
It's kind of ridiculous. Let's go, man.
Let's see what's out there.
Let's
white. See anything like this in Canandaigua?
No.
Yeah.
We
Never Finger Lakes?
We get a little bit of lake effect.
Yeah.
But
how far away is that from Syracuse? And
Syracuse is probably like maybe an hour and 45 minutes, maybe that. But
they always seem to get slammed.
Wait, this guy's car is clean.
Yeah,
I don't understand that. Should we bury it? Come on, man. Let's.
That'd be mean-spirited.
It would be. So this trail that Amos and I are traveling on was plowed back in the day. We're still getting snow.
Look at the drifts on that building right there.
Dude, you can't even tell that they're cars. No, really though. Like, it's so conformed. Guys, these are all cars. And you can't even tell.